sauce for, yes, for the shrimps and the baked potatoes. Right? Make it creamy, yes, creamy Gouda cheese with sour cream sauce. Right? Put some butter. This is where I'm making the sauce. Skipping in. More. Put some sour cream. Just lemon sauce. Okay, just gonna add some black pepper in here. Add my cheese. Okay, so this is my sauce. Yes, creamy cheese, sour cream and cheese sauce. This will go on top of the baked potatoes with the bacon.